use a stick. Yeah, he'll still bite you. Ooh! Did you hit him in the head?
Yeah.
You hit me in the head too.
Yeah.
With the snake.
Got Buddy's pond over here. You want to say anything, buddy? Anyway, they're cleaning it up. Eventually going to fill this thing in. How many acres is this? Yeah, how many acres is it?
4 acres.
It's a 4-acre pond, people. Gonna race some boats in it.
Most true.
I'm gonna give you a boat when we get it done.
Yeah.
Or something. Anyway, you guys stay tuned.
Now I want to caution you about poisonous snakes. They're all beneficial to this earth. They're all put here by God in God's country. Anyway, folks, beware of them. Protect them, if at all possible. If you have to, destroy them only because they're life-threatening to you. And y'all stay tuned. Think about liking and following my channel. Subscribe if you'd like. And y'all have a super duty day. Yeehaw!
I wear my heart on my sleeve, just for you, just for you. Feels like I'm stuck in a dream about you. It's all about you, oh. And I don't know about you, but this feels like the first time. All the things I wanna do, being gone never felt so right. I just want more.